All right, can you all hear me now? Mm. So I think the challenge has been beautiful. All right, let's kick on. Let me share my screen right away. So um, we're about to make a decision. Just look at that move. Oh, guys, you can see how this market is already flying. It's already flying from this point right here, right? You can see how it is flying. So if you missed that, let's see how this particular current candle ends. So that's what we are waiting for. Oh, I just hope it gives us the opportunity to trade because um, I think he's planning to make the entire move. Let's see what is happening on the 15 minutes. Oh, goodness. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Some days are like that. You miss out on big moves. And that is happening right here after the break of these previous 30 minutes after the 7. So let's see what happens. Is he going to leave an opportunity for us? So in the meantime, what we are going to do is while waiting, because like you all know, this business is also a waiting business. You don't have to jump in and risk more than you had planned. So if we get an opportunity to trade, we trade. If we miss our opportunity, we relax. Another one will always come. So, but before we move forward, let's take a look at the news and learn one or two things because one of we may have to trade. We only trade when the opportunity aligns for us. If it doesn't, we stay away from it, right? So what we plan to do now is we are going to be learning a lot about the fundamentals for the economics. So you understand exactly where the United States dollar is going, where the world economy is going, such that whenever you see an opportunity in the market, all right, if the fundamentals are backing that opportunity, you know that you are definitely going to go hard on that particular, setup or opportunity. So what I'm saying in essence is we have to have an understanding of how the market works, what is driving these pips and the rest of them. So what we plan to do each day by God's grace is to spend about 2 hours on streams. So we start 7 and probably around 9 we'll end so that I could actually go to my office. So I've been up since 5 a.m. Did my morning workout, and immediately I finished, we'll be on the screen from here, and now we move to the office. So let's take a look at the fundamentals. So we are going to go to Forest Factory. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to share my entire screen so that you could see um, where I'm navigating. So let me share my entire screen right now. Okay. All right. So let's go to Forex Factory and take a look at it. So we have about 3 minutes to make a decision. But before that 3 minutes exhaust, let's look at Forex Factory. Do we have a news today and whatnot? All right. So we are going to talk about that. Okay, today is a beautiful day. There is no news. Um, market should go the way the structure says it should. So we have no news. But for those of us trading JPY, today is a holiday for you. So Euro JPY, well, it's an opportunity for people trading JPY because there are other currencies that will affect this movement. For instance, Euro JPY, the movement on the euro is going to make it move. So here you only have to contend with one currency pair, one currency actually in a pair. So you have JPY bank holiday today. So the Japanese are in holidays, the banks are closed. So little or no movement with the major pairs for that. So that said, um, let's say we have about 2 more minutes. Let's look at what happened last week on the news. Let's look at what happened last week. So you see on Friday, we have some major news. We have some major news published on Friday, right? So one of them is the average hourly earnings. The Okay, no, that's for Canadian dollar. So we only have the non-employment rate, yes, for the United States dollar, and they were both positive. Now, being positive caused a surge in the currency, right? So the time is almost complete here. So it gave us a surge, and that was that move here. This is the move on that Friday, right? Because of that news. But guess what? Structure always rules. Despite the fact that it pushed down, it only dipped into this other block. You see, it dipped into this other block right here, and immediately it dipped inside that other block. Then it pulled back up. There is a popular trader out there that actually blew a lot of money that day. He was just gambling, right? He took a sell. Okay, guys. Yeah, the trade markets are off. So let's see what our risk will be. I think it's looking beautiful. It could pull down, but since this candle closed above here, I think if we have a break up here, we could get a good trade. So where our stop will be here. So this is about 45 pip stop, right? So 45 pip stops. So I'm going to give some distance away. I'm not going to put it exactly here. I'm going to give some distance away from the break. All right. Some distance away. Then the take profit will be just around here. The take profit will be around here. Okay. And then the stop loss should be just inside of this. That's our trade. So you can see our trade is about to be triggered. Our trade. Bam, guys, I'm in. I'm in on this trade right now. I'm actually in. I'm actually in on this trade. Awesome. So let's see on these smaller accounts. What do we have here? Let's see. Right here. Okay. So this is what we have here, and going to put just a little here to replicate on the other parts. So taking a block right there, put a stop loss. Now this is connected to a number of accounts. So it's a master account connected to some other accounts. So hopefully it goes well. Let's see how it all goes. So I'm in, we just wait. So the fact that it pulled break it and this inside another block, we can anticipate this could pull all the way down, but I believe that it's not going to pull all the way down. All right, there is a good momentum, and you know our morning trades are usually fantastic. So let's see how it goes. The 1 hour, okay, we have a strong zone on the 1 hour here, but So far, there is no cause for alarm, and let's see how it all turns out. We'll also be able to manage risk if market wants to go in a way that we are not, we don't anticipate. Remember, it is a business of risk management. So here we go. Let's see what the morning buy. So we are talking about the unemployment rate. We're talking about the non-farm employment. So most times you'll be hearing about non-farm. What does non-farm means, right? So you might be saying, what is non-farm? What does it really mean, right? So non-farm is simply, jobs that are not related to, say, agriculture, right? So you're talking about secular job, you're talking about corporate jobs. So that is what non-farm means. So non-farm employment change is positive, meaning that there was an increase in employment, which is good.